Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add a device to Google Play. So if you want to add a device to your Google Play account, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open up your Play Store application, and after opening your Play Store application, now you have to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on your profile icon, now tap on the arrow icon which is besides your email address, and after tapping on that, now you have to tap on add another account, and now you have to verify that it's you. So to verify this, you have to verify with your fingerprint. So after doing that, now you have to enter the email address or phone number of the device that you would like to add, and after entering your email address, now you have to tap on next. After tapping on next, now you have to enter the password of the email address that you have previously entered, and after tapping on next, now you will receive a verification on that device which you have previously entered the email address and password of. You just have to open that email and just tap on yes, it's me. After doing that, here you can see it has been verified. Now you just have to tap on I agree. So basically, to add a particular device to your Google account is by adding an email address of that device to your account, and after doing that, it will automatically going to LinkedIn. So this is how to add a device to Google Play. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.